guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today I'm going to be making 3 mouth-watering, delicious dairy-free ice creams that I know you guys are going to love. And especially since it's so hot outside this summer, oh my gosh, in Puerto Vallarta, guys, I am sweating because the humidity is kicking it up a notch, all right? So I'm about to show you how to make 3 different delicious ice creams that are simple, flavorful, and I know you have these ingredients in your fridge. So have you ever heard of nice cream? Well, that's what we're pretty much making today. And they're so easy, and it's like basically 2 ingredients, all right, guys? So I'm gonna show you the first one that we're gonna make. It's gonna be my absolute favorite, is mango. What you'll need for the mango ice cream is 1 full cup of mangoes, chopped. And each one of these recipes will require 3 frozen bananas, okay? So I generally keep frozen bananas in the freezer anyway, and I'll cut them in half so I can have them on hand. So that's 1, 2, and 3. All right, so we're just gonna get that all mixed up in the blender. So I just make some adjustments, pushing it down so that it gets all blended up, and we're gonna blend it again. And you can also add a little bit of coconut milk or almond milk if you want to it, but I like to have it without it just to see how it can be nice and rich and thick, but a little bit, maybe a tablespoon might work. So first we're gonna blend it and see if we need it or not. Look how nice and thick and rich that is. And I'm gonna put it in a container, a freezer container, for about, I don't know, a half an hour to an hour. Just if you want it to really stiffen up, you can put it in there for like 2 hours or so. I wouldn't put it in too much longer, but, and I have had it in the freezer overnight, ate it the next day. It was just the same, but it gets a little bit really stiff, you know. So look at that. Yum. Hey guys, I wanted to get on and share some exciting news with you. So most of you guys know I've been working on a new plant-based cookbook, and it's done. This cookbook contains 40 delicious recipes, which includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts. It's perfect for those who are new to plant-based cooking, or if you're living a busy lifestyle, or even if you just want something quick and easy to prepare but tastes delicious. This cookbook is definitely for you. I put a link in the description so you can order your cookbook today. All right, so now back to the video. Moving right along, we're gonna make our peanut butter cup nice cream, okay? So this one is gonna use 3 bananas. However, we're gonna split it. So we're gonna use 1.5 banana for our peanut butter nice cream. We're gonna make that first. This one is really tasty. Well, they're all really tasty, but this one is one of my hubby's favorites. That's 1.5. Okay, and we're going to put about a tablespoon of peanut butter in there. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. If you really like it peanut buttery, let's do a tablespoon and a half. And we're going to first blend this one up. So this is our first part of the peanut butter cup. The peanut butter ice cream. I'm just going to put it straightway inside of the container. And it's okay if you have like chunks of the peanut butter in it, because that just makes it so much better when you bite into it. For this one, you don't have to worry about cleaning up the blender. Just put your 1.5 bananas in there, frozen bananas, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And just give that a blend. So what you're gonna do with this one, just pop it right on top, and we're gonna just do a little bit of a swirling. And before I do that, I like to sometimes put a few little pieces of peanut butter within the ice cream. So when you swirl it, when you take bites of it, if you're a peanut butter lover, do this part if you're a real peanut butter lover. Add chunks of peanut butter in it. It tastes so good. And I use natural peanut butter, so it's really good for you. Just swirl it a little bit. And then pop that in the freezer. All right, friends, so since the mint chocolate chip ice cream didn't come out as I planned, I normally use mint peppermint extract, you know, on the shelf at the store. Don't use essential oil. You can, but whew, it's really minty. So you might want to cut back and maybe do like a 1/4 teaspoon if you're going to do natural essential oils, because it's really minty. I'm going to give you a bonus one. So we're going to make a blueberry with a little crumble ice cream. Okay, so let me show you how I made that one. So the same as the other one, we adding 3 frozen bananas, and these are super overripe bananas, and they also sat out for a minute and got a little bit of crystallized, but they are going to be delicious either way. And we're also going to add 1 big full cup of frozen blueberries. We're going to give that a blend. All right. All right, guys, so our ice cream is all done, and we're going to try each one so I can let you know, the little different flavor profile, okay? All right, guys. So I think I'm going to try the blueberry one. So the blueberry one is a little more creamier, as you can see. Like, see that? It's nice and creamy because I set this one in the fridge for about an hour and a half. So this is the texture you would get if you only leave it in for a little while, okay? It's creamy like a soft serve ice cream. So if you want it to be like that, then put it in the fridge for like an hour and a half. I also topped that one with a few cookies so that you can get kind of like a blueberry crumble effect, okay? All right, let's try our next one. Mango. I love mango. It's one of my favorite things. I topped that one with a little bit of coconuts, kind of to give it like a tropical vibe. Mango is always my favorite. I do love blueberry, but mango, something about that tropical flavor, maybe it's the Jamaican in me, I don't know, but the tropical flavor makes it taste so delicious and refreshing. They're really, really good, guys. So they're all delicious. Our last one, which is our peanut butter cup. So I was kind of going for like a Reese's vibe, okay? So you see how the little chunks of peanut butter that we put in it got nice and frozen. So that's really cool. So this one stayed in overnight, okay? So if you want it to be a more harder texture, you want to keep it in overnight. But if you let it out, keep them out to thaw for about, say, 15 minutes, they'll soften up a little bit, okay? So let's try this one. And peanut butter is my husband's favorite. So I'm gonna get a little bit of the peanut butter, a little bit of the chocolate, and a little bit of that peanut butter. Okay. Yep. It's like a Reese's cup. It's really good. If you like Reese's cups, you'll like this one, okay, guys? It's delicious and it's creamy and the texture is so soft and like silky. I love it. I love ice creams. Such an easy dessert to make, especially for the summertime, but technically I eat them all year long, okay? If you want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe to my channel. And also, guys, if you want to join our cooking classes and our private group memberships and so much more, join my membership, and there's a join button right below this video, so click on it and get more information. All right, I'm Rosa, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.